What new antibiotics are being developed for children? What new antibiotics are being developed for children? This is an important question, especially as bacterial infections can be quite serious for kids. Recent research is focusing on new antibiotics and how they can be used to treat infections in children, particularly those caused by bacteria that are resistant to common treatments. One exciting development is lariocidin, a new antibiotic discovered by researchers at McMaster University. Lariocidin is part of a new class of antibiotics known as lacopeptides. These antibiotics have a unique knotted structure and work differently from traditional antibiotics by stopping bacteria from making proteins. This could be a game changer against tough bacteria that do not respond to many existing antibiotics. Although lariocidin is still in the early research phase, it represents a significant advancement since it has been nearly 30 years since a new class of antibiotics has been introduced to the market. Another promising antibiotic is cefiderocol. This drug is currently approved for adults but is being tested for safety and effectiveness in children. Cefiderocol is particularly important for treating neonatal sepsis, a serious condition caused by bacteria that are resistant to last resort antibiotics. Researchers are working hard to find the right dosages for young patients to ensure they receive safe and effective treatment. In addition to these new drugs, there are also ongoing clinical trials exploring combinations of existing antibiotics. For instance, the NeoCep1 trial is taking place in countries like South Africa and Kenya. This study is looking at different combinations of antibiotics to improve treatment for newborns suspected of having sepsis, especially as antibiotic resistance becomes a bigger problem. These advancements are crucial because bacterial infections are a leading cause of illness in children, and antibiotic resistance is making it harder to treat these infections effectively. Health organizations, including the World Health Organization, stress the need for more research focused on antibiotics for children. This is because children have different needs and safety considerations compared to adults. In summary, new antibiotics being developed for children include innovative options like lariocidin, the adaptation of cefiderocol for pediatric use, and new combinations of existing antibiotics being tested in clinical trials. These efforts aim to tackle the growing challenge of antibiotic-resistant infections while ensuring that treatments are safe and effective for children. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice.